Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series called A Craft a Day. Keeps the stress away. Some days they may be brand new DIYs you haven't seen before. Other days they may be an oldie but goodie that you may have missed. This week's theme is gonna be grab your tea and let's get crafting. You're gonna wanna grab one of these from Dollar Tree. And don't forget your foam pumpkins.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. See how you've grown while you roam in the streets all alone. All you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
If you haven't already, make sure you check out this super cute and easy fabric sunflower. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of my crafts. I will see you guys tomorrow.